So I want to show a realistic visualization of this battery room. It's a battery room you've seen, a battery room for a 600 kVA inverter. A battery room for 600, so it is 277 kilowatt solar farm, 600 kVA inverter, and but this is the battery room. So this is the visualization of it while it's still loading. Very beautiful, right? It is a 3D model visualization. If you look closely, you can see that this was modeled. We have some kind of little noise, some noise around here, but I tried to really clean this, but still quite a number of process involved. So I'll be generating more in the future, and something better than this. So you can see it's not real, it's 3D visualization. So of this particular model in SketchUp. And the reason why it's a bit slow is because of we have a lot of there are a lot of model in that design. That's why it's kind of slow. So let me go to the feed. I'll be going to the feed so that you can the room is kind of quite heavy model. So this is a side view of the solar panels. Side view of the solar panels. Like I said earlier, we have 24 panels here. 24 panels. 24 panels. Most presentation lower Joe. We have 24 panels here, and we have 24 panels, and I said total of 504 solar panels. And let me cancel this so you can see, so I can bring up another one. Yeah, this. So that's a Mega Revo MPPT. You can see it. Let me try and open it. Try and open the page so that you can see it clearly. "3D modeling is very exciting, and it's something to invest on. Projects are approved with it, and it gives client edge in the market. You can see it. It's a mega. This is 3D. It was designed using SketchUp, and now I'm going to open another project. Let me just play around this. You can see the panels. It's very lovely. As I said, we have 21 units. Now let me go to the inverter room. This is the inverter. I won't move too close because that place is choked up. Heavy system design. I included air conditioning system. So yes, for Mega Revo. Let me just move in, and I added some lights. It's loading. Let me move a little bit closer. Because of the models are heavy, that's why it's a bit slow. But the course of design, some things can be on and off. That'll be explained in the main basic model. So I had AC, I added some lights. I use V-Ray. V-Ray is a realistic photorealistic render that brings models, line shapes to reality. I want to show you another file I have here. Let me check here. yeah, estate cards. Now from these, I'm going to show you the design in AutoCAD. Because I did a simple model for this training, for this webinar rather. Simple model for this webinar. In the main course, the main basic course, I designed. I'll be designing something much more, a little bit more complex and beautiful. So now this is an inverter room, and what you see in front is 8 kVA Victron inverter, 8 kVA Victron inverter, and then Pylon-Tech. It's a Pylon-Tech battery. Pylon-Tech. So this Pylon-Tech battery stacked in a battery rack. This is a 5 kilowatt Pylon-Tech battery. 5 kilowatt Pylon-Tech battery. Let me try and do something. I want to off the battery. I want to off the battery stack. I want to off the battery stack here. So let me. I'll put up the battery stack. It's much lighter. So as I said, 8 kVA, 48 volts. Now this is just a small model. Yeah, if I should put on the render, I have quite a number of software on, so it's should I do it? Let me just do it. It's just so I used tile render here, but tile render, I love tile render. It's easy to use. I prefer tile render to V-Ray, and the other renders we have Corona, which I use for 3ds Max. So this software brings designs to reality. They make it real. Now let me just move to AutoCAD. Now here in my AutoCAD, this is my AutoCAD user interface. I have my tool here. I have my move tool, and this is the schematic of the inverter system that I designed. 8 plus 8 gives 16, plus another 8 gives us a total of 24 kVA. For a 24 kVA inverter system, this is the front view of the electrical schematics. The front view of the electrical schematics. So I have legend here. I have my legend here, and solar panels details, because we need legend for in order to generate, for our engineers to be able to understand the designs properly well. So the 3D from 3D on SketchUp converted to 2D, and then you use AutoCAD to generate precise detailed drawing of the design. So I have some MPPT, so how the panel, each string of the panel going into the charge controller is a separate design on its own. So as you can see, 24 kVA inverter system. So I have some things set up here. Now let me go back to the to my slides. So like I said, SketchUp is easy to use. You can you can use it to design a detailed site view. It's ideal for visualizing panel layouts and inverter space. You can use it for presentation. You can present a raw model, but a raw model is just like I showed you in the SketchUp software. A raw model is a little bit attractive, but a visualization is on higher level. It's more impressive, it's more realistic, it's more it's eye catching. and projects are won with it. So shading analysis, so you can also use SketchUp for shading analysis. Let me go back. All right, I don't want to go there because I'll discuss that. The shading analysis will be discussed in the basic section of class. Then I have AutoCAD. AutoCAD is good for precision and technical detailing. Integration with SketchUp. AutoCAD can convert its file to a DWG file. A DWG file is an AutoCAD file. So you can move files from SketchUp to AutoCAD, and then you use the AutoCAD to do your electrical schematics and standard documentation. You don't use SketchUp for schematic design. You use AutoCAD schematic design. We combine the two software because SketchUp is used for visuals. You don't show your AutoCAD designs to your clients. You show SketchUp 3D models to clients. The clients can understand that it's something they can comprehend. They don't need your technical details shown in AutoCAD, while the installer is a blueprint for the installers. Now, what are the market opportunities we have? Market opportunities in the 3D solar 3D design. Now, consulting service. Now, clients it helps clients optimize system design by using 3D models to stimulate energy performance and panel placement. So as a consultant, a power consultant, you can present your 3D to the client, and you use it to get job, you use it to win contracts. So you can be a consultant for a more effective consultant. I will use the word more effective consultant. It boosts your opportunities for you as a consultant, as an energy consultant, because you can sell this to your client and you will appreciate it and buy into your project. So you can be a consultant. You can be offer consulting services. You can offer it to companies also. Partner with companies and say, I have an offer providing you 2D designs for your project. You like it, and this is a open chance, an open door, a platform, a bigger platform for us to be able to win more projects. Let us incorporate 3D and 2D designs in our services. So you can sell this opportunity, sell this to the clients, and sell it to companies, sell it to private individuals, so they can buy into it. Selling the idea of 2D and 3D designs into solar renewable energy installation. You can also be a freelancer, so you can provide consulting, you can provide freelance services by knowing how to use AutoCAD, 3D Xmap, offering 2D and 3D design services. You can offer this as a service, or you can be a consultant and get people like DAVOTECH. We are into 3D designs and 2D designs for solar projects, also for products designs, and we also do training. So training, project designs, these are the things we do at DAVOTECH. So we offer the services to companies. So you can also become a freelancer. You can partner with us, and we'll train you on how to use 2D, 3D software to design projects. So we can train you to design projects, and we also offer consulting services to clients, to companies. So if you want to become a freelancer and you want to learn about 2D and 3D, you can join us and roll into the basic course of design that we have. So there's actually market opportunities here, so you can make money as a freelancer. once you enroll into the course and you're able to use the tools in it, you can make money. Or you can be a consultant and sell the idea to companies, sell the idea to your companies, to the companies you work with, and they can work with you, and you can reach out to us for drafting solutions, 3D solutions, and you make your profit in partnership with us. And then the next steps, I will encourage you to join the basic class. In the basic class, I'll teach about techniques on 3D, 2D installation and designs, and you get a certificate. And by referring us to people, by bringing in students to enroll with us, you have a percentage on each student you refer. For each student you refer, you have 5% on each student that you refer to us, 5% on each participant that you refer to us. For every job you bring to our table, we give you 10% of every profit from that which you bring to us. 10% profit if you bring a business, 5% profit on each student if you bring someone to buy into this, someone to enroll into our services. And I will say this very confidently, that you have a chance of earning in thousands, because a typical 3D design costs about 150k, 150k, depending on the complexity of the design, while a 2D design costs about 60, 100, 120k, depending on the design. And 3D can cost as far as 3D can cost as far as 300k, 250k for mega projects. So you can earn 10% of this 10% for 2D, while for a 3D you will not earn less than 10%. You will not earn less than 10%. So, and but for you to be able to get the benefit of referral, you need to enroll into this course. When you enroll into this course and finish the first level course, the first level of the course is just a sectional training, and it comes in sectional training, a 3D sectional training, and I'll communicate that. You see a flyer on it, I'll share that with you. So once you enroll into the course and you do the basic course, sectional course, it's not much of a course, it's not much price, and you are done with it, I'll give a referral code. DAVOTECH will give a referral code. We'll give a referral code. With that referral code, on each student that you refer, that referral code is valid. I'll explain more about the referral code later, because for once you enroll into a basic sectional course, I mean sectional, it's not a full course but a basic sectional course. Now, for the full basic course, it's a full basic course. The price will be communicated at the end of this webinar, but you need to enroll for the sectional course. For the sectional course, I'll also communicate the price at the end of this webinar. For the sectional course, when you're done with it, you get a certificate and you also get your referral code. That referral code is valid for a year. So for each person you refer, you will get 5%. You can earn as far as 100,000 naira, 200k and more based on your networking. And so if you want to reach out to us, you can email davotech@gmail.com. you get a response from the admin. You can reach out to me also on WhatsApp. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp to +2348152800618, and you can also reach us on social media, Instagram, DAVOTECH Center. So at so you can reach us via Instagram. So opportunity awaits you. You can earn passively with us. It's amazing. This, in fact, there are very few in the market who offer 3D system design, and you can be on the top of it. You can be ahead in the market space. Don't let lack of skill in 3D design or lack of access to 3D design service hinder your next project from being approved. So with DAVOTECH, we can help you, and we can train you to be able to move your services to a higher level. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.